Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is 7th December 2025 and the 5th National Game 2025 Karachi. There is Pencak Silat event, exhibition game and national game. First of all, I would like to welcome Mr. His Excellency Muzakkir and Consul General Republic of Indonesia. Thank you so much sir, to come here. And I would like to welcome Mr. His Excellency Herman Artina Muhammad, Consul General Malaysia. Thank you so much sir for the cap. And I would like to thank Mr. Rana Ali Raza, he is our Director of Operations, Pakistan Pencak Silat Federation. I would like to welcome and I would like to thank Mr. Sajid Liaquat Ali, he is President of Punjab Pencak Silat Association. I would like to thank Mr. Junejo, he is the President of Junejo community. Thank you so much sir, you are sitting here. I would like to thank and welcome Secretary General Junejo community, Mr. Yunus. I would like to thank our pride, our proud, our SHO, sir, thank you so much you are sitting here. And I would like to thank our ex-President Junejo community, Mr. Halim Junejo. I would like to thank Mr. Abdul Hamid Tayyib, Secretary General of Punjab Pencak Association. I would like to thank Mr. Imran Junejo, Vice President, Sindh Pencak Association. I would like to thank Mr. Noor Alua Saiba. I would like to thank Mr. Ali Noor Saab. Thank you so much, sir, you are all here. And I would like to thank all of you. You are all here. Thank you so much. Okay. Now.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? And what do you have to say about the national games which has started today? Opening was yesterday, but today you are here.
Yeah.
So tell us something about it.
Yeah, as the Consul General of Indonesia, we welcome and support the National Games of Pakistan in 2025, and which make us really proud is that Pencak Silat will be committed as an exhibition game. So it is very good progress. We really would like to express our sincere appreciation for the Pakistan Olympic Associations, Sindh Olympic Associations, and Pakistan Pencak Silat Federations, and Sindh Pencak Silat Association also to make this event possible. We at the Consul are stands ready, to facilitate more cooperation so that Pencak Silat will be develop further in Pakistan, inshallah.
Inshallah. So what do you have to say, because right now we are in Pakistan, Karachi. So next chapter will be all the teams from here will be coming to there?
Inshallah. Of course, because really this is our pride sport, which symbolizes the value of friendship and national cohesion. So we are really proud of Pencak Silat.
Okay, thank you so much sir.
Thank you.
खिलाड़ियों की हौसला अफजाई के लिए आपके को कैसे सिद्ध करें तालियां बजाने की नहीं जब तक खिलाड़ी आपकी परफॉर्मेंस कर रहे हैं आप उसका साथ दे भरपूर बेटा हसन मुस्तफा प्राउड ऑफ पाकिस्तान एक्सीलेंट बड़ी रिदम से बड़ी पावर से परफॉर्मेंस वेल डन बेटा
वॉन कराची की वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल के आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी तमाम आने वाली वीडियो से बाखबर रह सकें।